Running out of Messagebird credits can bring your vital communications to a screeching halt, but don't worry, topping up your account is quick and easy. First things first, log into your Messagebird account. You'll land on your dashboard, which gives you a bird's eye view of your account. Next, locate the balance section. You can usually find this in the top navigation bar. Clicking on it will present your current credit balance and payment options. Here, you'll see available payment methods. Messagebird typically supports credit cards, PayPal, and sometimes local payment options depending on your region. Select your preferred payment method. If you're using a credit card, you'll need to enter your card details, including the card number, expiration date, and CVC code. Be sure to double-check these details for accuracy. Now, specify the amount you wish to add to your Messagebird balance. Consider the volume of messages or calls you plan to make to ensure you have sufficient credit. Review your payment details carefully. Once you're satisfied, confirm the transaction. You should receive a confirmation message indicating the successful addition of funds to your account. And that's it. Your updated balance will now be reflected in your account, ensuring you can continue sending SMS messages, making voice calls, and utilizing other communication services without interruption.